How's it going, guys? It's Tom here in Careers. Welcome back. We're now going to take you through the personal statement section of your application. This is possibly the biggest section that you'll come to during the application process, and it's possibly and arguably one of the most important as well. The personal statement is a paragraph that discusses your suitability for the course at university, explores your education a little bit further, and also talks about your personal traits and experience. So please take your time with this. It's not something to be rushed, and it is super important. So what you want to do is head over to your personal statement section of your application. As you can see, like all the other sections, you do have that personal tutorial video there, so please do use that. As you can see below, you will have 35 minutes or so to click save, so it won't just log you out straight away. It does have some time there. You'll have up to 47 lines of text or 4,000 characters. It is meant to be short and concise, so please do avoid waffling on and make sure that you are straight to the point. You've got a lot of information to put into the personal statement, and 4,000 words and 47 lines is not a massive amount, so make sure you use words sparingly. There's some really useful tools and tips on how to write a personal statement effectively. One of the tools is on the UCAS website. So if you go to the home page of the UCAS website, you can then hover over undergraduate, over to the left-hand side, and you'll see there is a personal statement tool there. This tool will give you all the advice that you need on how to write an effective personal statement. It will talk you through the sections. It will give you some tips on what to write, and it will talk to you as well about the layout of your personal statement. You also have a really useful tool at your disposal, and that is through Kudos. So once you've signed into Kudos, you can come up to this page here, scroll down the left to My Documents, and you have something there called My Personal Statement. Again, when you click on that, it will come up with this option here. So you can use this personal statement builder if you are a little bit unsure. And again, that will give you a number of sections that you can work through to build your personal statement. Once you've done that, you can then save it, and it has a handy little tracker there to show you how many characters you have left. Once you're happy with it, make sure it's checked over by one of the careers team or your tutor. Then head back over and copy and paste it into this box below. Couple of tips from me: please make sure that you spell check the personal statement, because contemporary spell check tools don't always work. Make sure that it is grammatically correct, and spend the time making sure that it makes sense. If you'd like to, and I would always advise this, ask someone completely impartial to read through your personal statement. They'll be able to spot any mistakes and also bits that don't necessarily make sense. Once you're happy with it though, make sure it's all in there, make sure it's below the 47 lines and 4,000 character count. You can preview it, you can save it, and then that section is then complete. Please use all the tools at your disposal for this, as this is possibly one of the most important sections of the application. So again, you've got the personal tutorial video, you've got the UCAS personal statement tool, and you've also got a personal statement builder in Kudos. For any questions or queries, please do feel free to email me.